We are going to start VPN. Before starting VPN, we need to know some basic terminologies. First, we need to know cryptography. What is cryptography? Basically, cryptography is a Greek word. It's been taken from Greek word, okay, which means secret writing. Crypto means in Greeks hidden and secret, and griffin means writing, means to secret your writing, whatever you write, to make them secret so no third party can understand. This is called cryptography in simple word. So it means it's a process when we hidden our information, our data, to make them impossible to read for some third party person. But if it reach to the proper person, they will make them to read, to decrypt it, which we will discuss what is encryption and decryption. So basically, cryptography is a algorithm, is a method, is a techniques, is a formula to scramble your written text, to make them scramble, to make them unreadable, so that nobody can understand. Normally in our friend, like, we do the same stuff. I have a friend which is now in UK. So normally when we go to our home country and he want to smoke, normally in our culture we cannot smoke front of our elders. So we have a code word. So he normally say, when we are sitting with elders, so what they say we have a code word which nobody understand. So normally they say, let's go. So basically elder don't know what they want to say to him. So this is also called cryptography, and then they want to smoke. So this is called cryptography, a code word, a secret word to hide your information so that nobody can understand. But it is a big history of cryptography. It's not from now, it's from ages and ages. There are many methods used from. I will show you the old method. I will start from the old method so that you understand, and also I will give example from old method for better understanding. Like a Caesar Cipher. Caesar was the one they were sending love letter, and that algorithm called them Caesar Cipher. The simplest encryption algorithm I will show you from that one. But before understanding cryptography, we need to know some terminology: plain text, encryption, ciphertext, decryption, and again we have a plain text. Now what is plain text? Plain text simple means readable, which can be understood by anyone. Original form of data, original information, clear text, natural readable form, before the encryption data, means original message, our original data, our original information, which is readable, is called plain text. Okay, clear. Ciphertext, when we convert plain text to unreadable form, to make them scramble, to make them unreadable, to change them to something else, to not to be understood by third party, we call them ciphertext. So scramble message, unreadable message, we call it ciphertext. Two things is clear: plain text and ciphertext. Then encryption, we will do in detail, but right now I'm telling you encryption means the method to changing plain text, which is a readable form, into ciphertext, unreadable form, is called encryption. So the method to converting plain text to ciphertext is called encryption. It means the method which we translate data into secret code. The method when we translating clear text or plain text of original information to scramble, we call them encryption. And decryption means the opposite. When we convert ciphertext, unreadable data, scramble data, ciphertext into plain text again to original form is called them decryption. The process of converting ciphertext back to original plain text is called decryption. And the method, techniques, formula, way we are using to convert plain text to ciphertext and ciphertext to plain text is called algorithm, encryption algorithm. So encryption algorithm is nothing but the techniques, formula, method, way to convert plain text to ciphertext and ciphertext to plain text. This is called encryption algorithm. So these basic terminology is clear. Now let me give you an example from simplest way. Caesar cipher. So this is Caesar cipher, the old method. Then we will go to new method, but you know this is the simplest way of cryptography. We are using Caesar cipher tool. So my encryption algorithm is Caesar cipher. And let me put my information. Suppose my information is Ahmad. And I want to encrypt. But these are English alphabets, 26 alphabets. Do I want to shuffle them? To shuffle them. Encryption and change. So this is my secret code, which nobody knows that what does it means by CJOCF. So this is my ciphertext. So if I can show you from here, if I have a screenshot. So Caesar cipher is my encryption algorithm. Plain text is Ahmad and ciphertext is this one, but I make them 1 and here as 2. So that's why if I will make them 1, so it will change to Bambi something. So this Bambi is ciphertext, plain text is Ahmad, and this my key, and the method is encryption. And now I will send this one. Like I give an example that my friend want to smoke, so we have a code word, and that code meaning has something. Like Bambi has some meaning, yeah, maybe for you. For normal people, they will say Bambi is maybe this the name of something, but actually this the name of something which we have Ahmad. If I make them more like, so I will say like this one. I want to smoke. So this the smoke code word. Do you understand anything from JHB I want to smoke? No. So this is my original text, clear text, plain text, and this is ciphertext. And this is the key, and this is the encryption algorithm. So now the person who know this one, like me and my friend, so he know that he used this method. So what they will do? He will copy this text, and instead of encryption, I told you what is encryption and decryption. He will put the data, but instead of encryption, he will make decrypt and will use the same key and enter. Now he understand that Ahmad want to say that I want to smoke. But at the third person, he don't know until he know the method. Which method we are using? Encryption method, Caesar cipher. And second thing, he need to know the key. This was oldest method. In 2 seconds you can crack them. So don't say like this one. But I'm just telling you to understand the Caesar cipher. The cryptography. Let me give an example a bit harder, which was the second method, and it was Vinegar Cipher. So let me go to Vinegar Cipher and let me do the same thing. Plain text, I wanna smoke, this one, and my key is I will put one key like a hello and encrypt. Look at, so this the encrypted message. Now this another method. Now let me go to notepad, okay, and this my encrypted message. So encrypted message which I told you, this is called And sorry, where is ciphertext? So let me copy from here so that you understand. So this is ciphertext. And what was my plain text? Let me copy plain text. So my plain text was I want to smoke. So this is plain text, ciphertext this one, and encryption algorithm I'm using. Encryption algorithm I'm using Vinegar Cipher. Vinegar Cipher. This my encryption algorithm. Three things is clear to you now, which I was showing you there. So this is the plain text which everybody can understand. Now it's changed to this P alba was you. I don't know what the hell is this. And this is the method. And the way when I wanna smoke, when I click here, sorry, the other one, I click on encryption. So this is called encryption. When you convert plain text to ciphertext is written here. This method is called encryption. How it is working? So basically the other was to shift the key. I shift the key. If there was like, suppose let me go to encryption and let me say Ahmad and encrypt. So A is shifted 1. So if A shifted, it will be B. If H is shifted to H will become I. M after M, 1 shifted N. So it was using shifting the words, but here it's using hello keyword. It's my key. If I make them slow and show you, and let me start. So basically Vinegar Cipher has a table. Where is this? Not showing the table. Okay, yeah, I need to on the table. So let me stop this the table. So Vinegar Cipher was another method to use the table, and this table was designed A to Z this way and A to Z this way. Let me stop to show you how it was working. So above is the message and the column is the key. So what was my key? Hello. And my message was I wanna smoke. So I is here. This one I. And what was the key? The key first letter is hello. So first digits will be I and this one. Where is matching? P. So that's why P is here, the ciphertext. Then wanna. From wanna there is W. So W is here. And then in the key next letter is E. So I will come to E. So E and W is matching under A. That's why A is here. And let me start to show you now the rest of. Start. So the first letter will be match A, yeah? No, not. The other one is already done. That's why. Then the other one. From A and L. Then Y. So N is wanna. And then wanna, but this time key is O. So it will go jump to the other one. And this way it will translate I wanna smoke, but the letter, the sentence was bigger one and my key was hello. So it will start hello again. So hello up to this point, then hello up to this point, and then hello, it will return like this way. So if I receive this message, so I will put them in this table and I will find out I wanna smoke. I will copy this message and I will put here and I will put the key which I know and I will say decrypt. And it will show me I wanna smoke. It will decrypt it for me using this table. So this was also the method. This is called cryptography, to hide your information, to make them impossible for another person. In two simplest way I show you. I will show you in real world as well. Don't worry, I will show you from another way. So these are the terminology. Now you know what is encryption, what is decryption, what is plain text, what is ciphertext, and what is cryptography. Okay, Now with the encryption, either let me do it separately. Let me save this one.